Hi everyone, this is Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss important concepts from time and distance, that is, boats and streams. Boats and streams. The concept is very important. From this concept, we get questions frequently in examination. I am truly speaking, once if you know the concept of boats and streams, you can solve questions based upon boats and streams without using your pen and paper. So, what I will do is, I am going to explain the concept. After completion of concept, then we are going to solve few questions based upon boats and streams. Before solving the questions, first we'll discuss the concept. After the completion of concept, then we solve some problems. So here we have some definitions of downstream speed and upstream speed. A boat is said to go downstream if it is moving along the direction of the stream. The net speed of the boat in this case is called downstream speed. A boat is said to go upstream if it is moving in the direction opposite to the direction of the stream. The net speed of the boat in this case is called upstream speed. So few important terminologies are going to discuss here: speed, velocity, rate. All of them are same. Sometimes they will say speed of boat or velocity of boat or rate of boat. All of them are same only. Speed of boat or man. Sometimes boat is going to travel, sometimes man is going to travel. Depending upon the question, whether it is boat or man, it doesn't matter. Both are same and it is represented by SB. So speed of boat or man is represented the notation by SB. The second terminology is speed of stream or speed of current. We'll represent it with SS. That is, water flow speed is nothing but speed of stream or speed of current. So these are the basic two terminologies. These two are the very important to study the boats and streams to solve the questions. The next important thing is downstream or along the stream. Both are same meaning. Look at the diagram here. Water is flowing downwards and boat is also traveling downwards. So this is speed of boat SB and this is speed of current SS. Now the downstream is nothing but both of them are traveling in same direction. Water is flowing downwards and boat is also traveling downwards. Obviously, water flow will help boat much faster. Water will push the boat, then boat speed is increasing. So the downstream is equal to speed of boat plus speed of stream. One more important point is we see the direction. So here we see the flow of water and flow of boat is going to the same direction. That is called the downstream. Next important point is upstream or against the stream. Against means opposite. So, upstream or against the stream are equal. Look at the diagram here. Water is flowing downwards and boat is traveling against the stream. So, speed is going to decrease. Water is going to push the boat. So, the upstream is equal to speed of boat minus speed of stream. So, from this picture, we should clear the upstream term. See here, water is flowing downwards and boat is traveling against the stream. So, the upstream is equal to speed of boat minus speed of stream. So, from this, downstream is speed is going to increase and the upstream is going to decrease. So, using these relations, we are going to calculate two important relations. The first we call it as one as speed of boat plus speed of stream, that is called downstream, we call it as 1, and the speed of boat minus speed of stream is equal to the upstream, call it as 2. When you add both the relations, we get SB, that means speed of boat equal to downstream plus upstream by 2. When we subtract both the relations, we get speed of stream is equal to downstream minus upstream by 2. So, these are the two important relations about the downstream and upstream. Now, you have cleared downstream and upstream. Downstream is speed is going to increase and the upstream speed is going to decrease, and we know the relations. So, here we have to solve some simple problems. Number 1, a boat moves downstream at the rate of 8 km per hour and upstream at 4 km per hour. The speed of the boat in still water is. So, our question is the speed of the boat. So, we know the speed of the boat. What is the formula for speed of the boat? Already we saw, no? Downstream plus upstream by 2. So, in this question, we have downstream 8 km per hour. We have upstream 4 km per hour. So, we know the relation speed of boat is equal to downstream plus upstream by 2. So, downstream is 8 plus upstream is 4 divided by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. So, the answer is option C, 6. Hope you clear the first problem. Okay, we will move to the next one. A boat moves at 8 km per hour in still water. If the speed of a stream is 2.1 km per hour, find the relative speed with which the boat travels upstream. So, here in this question we have a boat moves 8 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 2.1 km per hour, so we need to find the upstream value. So, we know the upstream is speed of boat minus speed of stream. So, they will decrease the rate. So, just we subtract those items, we got the answer. See here, The answer, the speed of boat is 8 km per hour. The speed of stream is 2.1 km per hour. We know the relation upstream, that is equal to speed of boat minus speed of stream. That is 8 km per hour minus 2.1 km per hour, we get 5.9 km per hour. So option B is the answer for this question. Okay, we'll move the next one. A boat goes 40 km upstream in 8 hours and 36 km downstream in 6 hours. The speed of the boat in still water is. So our question is here, speed of boat. So we represent the speed of boat by SB. So what is the formula for SB? It is downstream plus upstream by 2, right? But here we have the data per 8 hour. So for upstream 40 kilometers per 8 hour and 36 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. So we need to change the downstream value and upstream value by per hour. So downstream is equal to 36 kilometer in 6 hours. So 36 by 6, it will become 6 kilometer per hour. Then the upstream is 40 kilometer by 8 hours. So 40 by 8 is 5 kilometer per hour. So now we got downstream as 6 kilometer per hour and upstream as 5 km per hour. So we need the speed of boat, that is SB. So we know the relation, downstream plus upstream by 2 is the speed of boat. So that is equal to downstream is 6 plus upstream is 5 divided by 2. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 by 2 is 5.5 km per hour. So for this question, option B is the answer. Hope you clear boats and streams concept and some terminologies and few questions. Thank you.